In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload transactions manually to QuickBooks Online. Sometimes connecting your bank account directly to QuickBooks can be challenging, especially if your bank lacks integration capabilities with the software. Not to worry though, we've got you covered with a simple workaround that allows you to manually upload your transaction data, ensuring your financial records remain precise and up to date. First, you'll need to obtain your transaction data from your bank. This process can vary depending on your financial institution. I'd recommend visiting your bank's website or contacting their support to find detailed instructions on how to download your transaction data. Usually, banks offer options to download your statements in various formats, like CSV, QBO, or OFX, which are compatible with QuickBooks Online. Once you've successfully downloaded your transaction file, you're ready to move on to the next steps. Now, let's head back to QuickBooks Online. Log into your QuickBooks account and navigate to your dashboard. On the left-hand panel, you'll see a range of options. Click on Transactions. This area is designed to provide you with a clear overview of your financial activities, and it's precisely where we'll be managing your new transaction data. On the Transactions page, pay attention to the top right corner. You'll notice the Import button looming there, ready to assist you with bringing in your external data. Click on Import, and you'll be guided to a new page where you can upload the transaction file you previously downloaded from your bank. It's important to carefully select the correct file to ensure a smooth import process. Remember, file compatibility is key here to avoid any mishaps. If your file isn't in the proper format, you may want to revisit your bank's instructions or even explore converting the file to a suitable format. Once you've uploaded the file, QuickBooks will prompt you to map the data. This is an essential step as it ensures that the imported data aligns with QuickBooks fields, such as dates, amounts, and descriptions. Take your time to match each column of your data to the corresponding field in QuickBooks. This will not only ensure accuracy, but also lay the groundwork for advanced reporting and analysis down the line. After mapping your data, simply follow through any final prompts, and congratulations, you've successfully uploaded your transaction data manually into QuickBooks Online. With your transactions securely logged, you're all set to review and manage your financial information with confidence. And that's all there is to it. Manual uploads may seem a bit daunting at first, but with practice, it becomes a straightforward part of your bookkeeping routine. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and happy accounting!